The Jewel Rain Vortex is the world's tallest indoor waterfall, standing at 40 meters, 131 feet, located at Jewel Changi Airport, Singapore. This stunning attraction is a masterpiece of modern architecture and nature, with water cascading from the center of a massive glass-domed roof, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Surrounded by the Shiseido Forest Valley, a lush indoor sanctuary with over 2,000 trees and plants from around the world, the Rain Vortex offers a serene and immersive experience for visitors. During the day, natural sunlight illuminates the waterfall, creating a shimmering effect as the water flows down into the basement level. At night, it transforms into a dazzling light and sound show, mesmerizing tourists with vibrant colors and dynamic projections. The surrounding indoor forest features walking trails, bridges, and scenic viewpoints, making it a perfect place to relax and explore. Located within Jewel Changi Airport, the Rain Vortex is more than just a visual wonder. It is part of a world-class lifestyle hub that blends nature, retail, dining, and entertainment. Visitors can explore hundreds of shops and restaurants, an indoor hedge maze, a canopy park with bouncing nets, and even a hotel within the complex. Whether you're stopping by on a layover or visiting Singapore, the Jewel Rain Vortex is a must-see attraction, seamlessly combining nature and innovation in a truly awe-inspiring setting.